Have you ever noticed that after eating certain foods you feel energized and focused, while after others you feel tired, slow, or foggy? That's not a coincidence. The food you eat directly affects how your brain functions every single day. Your brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in your body. Even though it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it uses around 20% of your daily energy. That means the quality of the fuel you provide matters a lot. Just like a high-performance car needs the right type of fuel to run smoothly, your brain needs the right nutrients to perform at its best. Let's start with blood sugar. When you eat refined carbohydrates and sugary foods, your blood sugar rises quickly. This gives you a short burst of energy, but soon after, your blood sugar crashes. That crash can make you feel tired, irritable, unfocused, and mentally slow. Over time, constant spikes and crashes can affect memory and concentration. On the other hand, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes release glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This steady supply of energy helps maintain consistent focus and mental clarity. Now let's talk about fats. Many people think all fats are bad, but your brain is actually made up of nearly 60% fat. Healthy fats are essential for building brain cells and maintaining communication between them. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are especially important. They support memory, learning ability, and emotional balance. Low levels of omega-3s have been linked to depression and cognitive decline. Protein also plays a key role in brain function. Proteins are broken down into amino acids, which are used to create neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. For example, serotonin affects mood, dopamine influences motivation and focus, and acetylcholine supports memory. Foods like eggs, beans, lentils, chicken, tofu, and nuts provide the building blocks your brain needs to produce these essential chemicals. Vitamins and minerals are equally important. B vitamins help the brain convert food into energy and support nerve function. Vitamin B12 in particular is crucial for memory and mental clarity. Iron helps carry oxygen to the brain, and low iron levels can cause fatigue and poor concentration. Magnesium supports relaxation and helps regulate stress. Even a small deficiency in certain nutrients can affect how clearly you think and how stable your mood feels. There is also a strong connection between your gut and your brain. This is known as the gut-brain axis. Trillions of bacteria live in your digestive system, and they play a major role in mental health. A healthy gut microbiome can support better mood and reduced anxiety. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut help maintain healthy gut bacteria. Fiber-rich foods also feed beneficial bacteria, which in turn produce compounds that support brain health. On the other hand, highly processed foods can have negative effects on the brain. Diets high in added sugars, artificial ingredients, and trans fats have been associated with increased inflammation. Chronic inflammation can affect brain cells, and has been linked to problems such as depression, memory issues, and even long-term neurodegenerative diseases. Hydration is another factor many people overlook. Your brain is about 75% water. Even mild dehydration can reduce attention, memory, and overall cognitive performance. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps maintain mental sharpness and focus. So what does a brain-friendly diet look like? It includes plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats, lean proteins, nuts, seeds, and fermented foods. Many researchers point to the Mediterranean-style diet as one of the best for long-term brain health. This way of eating has been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and better overall mental performance. The key message is simple. Every meal is an opportunity to support your brain. Small daily choices add up over time. Choosing whole nutrient-dense foods instead of heavily processed options can improve focus, stabilize mood, boost memory, and protect your brain as you age. Your brain works for you every second of every day. The question is, are you giving it the fuel it truly needs? In the end, your brain reflects what you feed it. Every snack, every meal, every daily choice sends signals to your body and shapes how clearly you think, how stable your mood feels, and how much energy you have. You don't need a perfect diet, you don't need extreme changes. But small, consistent improvements, choosing whole foods over processed ones, adding healthy fats, staying hydrated, and fueling your body with real nutrients, can make a powerful difference over time. Your brain is your control center. It powers your thoughts, decisions, emotions, creativity, and dreams. When you nourish it properly, you're not just improving your health, you're investing in your future focus, productivity, and long-term mental strength. So the next time you sit down to eat, remember, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your mind. Make it count.